everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Bella and I love all things design and DIY. For all of you sewing enthusiasts out there, this is for you. I know I have not been posting very much sewing content recently, but my studio is absolutely a mess. I'm in the middle of doing a complete makeover in there. But to hold you over, I have a vintage pattern haul today. Over the Easter weekend, my boyfriend's aunt had a whole bunch of sewing patterns that she was getting rid of. These are a lot of them, I think, from like, I'm gonna say most of them are like 70s. I actually haven't had a chance to actually go through them yet. This was a few days ago. And so I thought I'd just do that on camera for anyone who's also very into vintage clothes and sewing like I am. So let's go through these and see what we got. I basically just said I'd take everything and didn't actually really look at them in detail because I was trying not to geek out too much. So let's go through them. As long as everything has the actual name on them, I'm going to give you the brand and then the number so that if you want to search for these, you can. I know there's a lot of Etsy sellers that do vintage patterns for like $5-10 bucks. So some of these, if you like them, you might be able to find them. So this is McCall's 6850 and it's these really pretty just like sheath dresses. We have just a basic long sleeve shirt, a straight across sheath top, a skirt, and pants. Okay, so I guess it's not dresses, it's shirt and pants. This is really fun because it looks like you can kind of mix and match these things. They have them belted, so like this one, for example, looks like a jumpsuit, this one looks like a dress, and I think you could probably easily attach the top and bottom patterns to make them full pieces if you wanted. The skirts also have just like knee-length slits in the sides, which I think is quite cool. Next is very cute. So this is a circle skirt, and then let's see. So one is a circle skirt that has pockets, which is amazing. And then, oh wait, no, there's three skirts. Okay, sorry. Okay, so skirt one you can see is in the middle. It's just a really simple skirt. It has some dark details along the waist and then simple pockets. Skirt number two has these really cool panels that kind of come down like this, and then that has pockets as well. And then skirt three has pockets and then is a wrap skirt, so it has this really nice like cinched waist detail. That looks really fun. I am all about this wrapped skirt thing. And I didn't tell you, this is Simplicity 7189. This is McCall's 3411. This is Easy McCall's. I don't know if that has a different number system than just McCall's, but I'm guessing it doesn't. This is, whoa, that doesn't have diagrams on the back. Oh, okay, top's not included. So this is for the skirts. They're these really, really big gathered skirts, and then the other option is just like a little bit more straightforward sheath. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a style pattern. It's style 4851. And it's these really, really cute dresses. Both of them have these really pretty like poofed shoulders. And then the first one is a long sleeve, and then it has this stand-up neck. I'm not sure what you call that neckline, but it's very reminiscent of the 60s and 70s, which I love. And then the second one is like a short, puffy sleeve. This one is McCall's 4729. It's a three-piece suit. Oh, four-piece. So there's a jacket and then a vest, pants, and then you have the option for a long skirt also. This is really fun, especially the vest I'm interested in. Okay, here we have a bit of a basic one. This is a quick sew pattern 601. Quick sew are usually pretty simple given the name. This is for tubular ribbing only. This could be really fun just to make some basics with. So there's three tops, the long sleeve here, and then there's short sleeve that's a high neck, and then a short sleeve that is a low neck. Okay, we have another quick sew. This is pattern 667. This is probably the one that I'm most excited about because it is jumpsuits. We'll see if these work for me. I'm always a little bit iffy about trying jumpsuit patterns because I'm about 5'9", so a lot of times they're not long enough for me, but we'll see. Maybe this one will be, because I could just see these becoming absolute staples in my wardrobe. So they're pretty similar in fit, but one is short sleeve and then it has pocket details on the bust, and then the other one is long sleeve and has no pockets. The long sleeve one might be zipper and the other one might be buttons, or it has a concealed zipper. Not sure, but very excited about this, and I don't think this one's been used yet. The other thing that I really love about quick sew patterns is that their pattern paper is like actual paper, so it's really easy to deal with because I hate pattern paper so much. Oh, this one's pretty. This is Simplicity 6882 and it's just these really pretty dresses. I am not sure what sort of terms you would use to describe these dresses, but they just have this high neckline with almost a halter, like shrug sort of sleeves going on, which is really fun. I think she said this is one of the ones that she had made and she really liked it, so that should be fun. The skirt is like kind of a circle skirt sort of feel, so I think you could have the opportunity for a lot of fabric in these, which I love. Next is Simplicity 9159. This looks like some really simple basics. So we just have this kind of loose fitting top and skirt. So there's, yes, a skirt option, and then we have two different long sleeves, which I'm not quite seeing the difference in, and then a short sleeve. I think these sort of patterns, if you did them in like a linen or like a cotton gauze, could be really nice for the summertime. Just easy, loose fitting garments. Okay, next, oh my gosh, is so fun. Oh, this is Simplicity 5283. So it's this really fun, really gathered skirt. I don't think you can quite see that well with the plaid, but you can see in these ones, I just absolutely love the amount of fabric in skirts like this with the extra gather at the bottom. All of these women, I want to be them. And then it comes with, oh fun. So then it comes with, if you can see this little lady, that was so creepy to say. You can see this drawing right here. It comes with this little cinched waist detail, kind of like a little bit of a corset sort of thing. And then it also comes with a short sleeve and a long sleeve shirt to go with it. This one is maybe one of the first ones that I'm gonna try out because that whole look is just my dream. This is Style 2235 and it's many different pieces. So we have a long sleeve like button-up jacket, a short sleeve button-up. These are all very reminiscent, the same kind of shape of that jumpsuit we looked at. Very 70s, I love it. And then this also comes with the skirt and then just a straight pant. Anything that's like a button up with a collar or even just a zipper, anything that's collared and has like pockets and all these kinds of details, cuffs and everything, those are all patterns that I'm really interested in trying a lot of different ones, because I find for those sorts of pieces it gives you the opportunity to try out a lot of different techniques and really practice them. So these I'm very excited about. This one is McCall's 4046 and it's a very like Marilyn Monroe-esque kind of dress. They're just these pretty simple dresses. One's full length, one is just at the knee, and then they have this gather along the bodice, which I think is really pretty. These look pretty easy, but also quite elegant. So I'm excited to try that as well. Could be a quick project. This is McCall's 4132. And they're just these really simple skirts. They're kind of just A-line, not a lot going on, not a lot of fabric, so that looks like it'd be pretty simple. I don't know if this will be my size, but we'll see. These are very, very fun too. This is Simplicity 8148, and they're just kind of these various frilly tops, which is really fun. I have quite a few printed chiffons that I'm always on the hunt for patterns that would suit them, so these could work perfectly for that. Next is Simplicity 9264. This is a neckline that I'm really interested to try out. I'm not sure what you call this, but it's like a rolled collar kind of thing. So this is in two long sleeves, one that's like cinched at the bottom and one that's just straight down, and then a short sleeve that's cinched at the bottom. I love the silhouette of these sweaters. Whoa. Okay, this is the very last women's one, and then we have two men's. This is very, very well loved. This is Butterick 5613, and again, similar to some other ones, it's these like suit pieces. So it's just a jacket, a vest, skirt, and pants. This has obviously been made many times. She did say that some of them she's used and some of them she hasn't. So for the ones that have already been cut, we'll see if the size aligns at all with mine. But if not, then I'm sure I could find someone else who would really appreciate them. Okay, we have two men's patterns. The first one is McCall's 8536, and this is a long sleeve jacket, a short sleeve shirt that actually looks kind of cool, and then pants and shorts. So they're just pretty basic. And then we also have Butterick 3431, which are just these like knit sweaters. One is a long sleeve v-neck, one is a short sleeve v-neck, and then a long sleeve scoop neck. I really like having some men's patterns like this because I really like the way that specifically like sweaters and sweatshirts like this used to be cut for men. I have a few vintage ones similar to this that are very well loved that have a few missing pieces by now because I've been using them for like 6 or 7 years, and so this will be nice to kind of refresh that supply. Okay, that is it. That is a lot of patterns. I'm gonna need to find somewhere to store all of these now, so that will be heavily factored into cleaning up my studio. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration for some of your upcoming sewing projects. If you enjoyed it, then you can give it a like down below and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. And I will see you back here next time.